This road has a length of more than 10,000 kilometers. It's called G219, which is a national highway in China. As you can see, it's mainly located in the western part of China and covers nearly half of the border. It begins in the far south of China and ends in the far north of China. The scenery along the highway is extremely rich and colorful, full of surprises. There is no exaggeration to say that this is a world-class scenic tour route. Because of the lack of money or something else, I'm making the necessary preparations for this dream. Hiking plus cycling around China.